Today we are going to start income method. This income method is also known as distribution share method and or you can say factor payment method. Why we are saying factor payment method? This national income is estimated in terms of factor payment. National income will be estimated in terms of factor payments. What are these factor payments? That is COE plus OS. In OS, rent, interest, profit and royalty. To whom we provide this factor payment? To household. And who are households? Households are the owner of factor production. During an accounting year. So we can say sum total of factor income generated within our country, domestic territory of a country is called domestic income. Sum total of factor income generated within domestic territory of a country is called domestic income. Now we have to understand national income. As I told you, domestic income plus when you add NFIA, it becomes national income. Now we will study here factor income. What is factor income? Factor income earned by a person as a reward for rendering his factor services. Income earned by a person rendering his factor services. For his labor, he may get wage. For his land, he may get his rent. For his capital, he may get interest, and for his entrepreneur, he may get profit. So factor incomes are earned income. Earned incomes. It does not include any income for which services has not been rendered. It does not include any services for which has not been rendered. For example, old age pension, received by the senior citizen is not their earned income. Not earned income. Okay, services has not been rendered by old age person for old age pension. इसके लिए कोई services rendered नहीं हुआ है. Old age pensions, as we know, these are unilateral payments. It means one-sided payment. Retirement pensions are like a deferred wages. It is just a this old age pension. It is just a help given by the government without anything in return. So these receipts or payments are called transfer receipts. We can say transfer receipts. These are also known as transfer receipts.